Now. Right, okay. First of all, we are in the studio again. We are having a fucking great studio. When it flies every time. We want to try and cause things to be on fire. So we've made a little chimney. It's perfect, solid, tin foil roof, and things go wrong. We have a fire blanket. That's it. What can go wrong? Nothing. It's not all flammable or anything. I haven't spent loads of money in months building this so far, but that's okay. Anyway, so first of all, we're just going to start off a lighter. Nice and easy. We have no idea what's going to happen, but obviously we're going to need a flame next to the lighter. So let's put loads of flames next to the lighter. Which blows up my face. Please don't do this at home, even though we're doing it at home. It's very stupid to do this at home. Right, there we're going. That's close enough, isn't it? Right, let me load a pellet in here. Oh, that flipping hurts. For some reason the burning aluminium is hot. I don't know why that is. Okay. Right then. Use safe distance and safety glasses. Oh, we're not stupid on this channel. How well, man? Right, ready, buddy? Let's go. Wow! Wow! That was a one lighter. Oh, let's do it again. 2 lighters taped together. Look, there's still a flame there.
The ground is on fire.
This is actually not funny. Right, let's do it quick. Oh well. We drink Dr. Pepper. What's the worst that can happen? Come on. Let's do it. This is not going to blow the shed. 2 lighters. You ready? Right. We are about not even 3 yards away, so obviously we're being safe. Okay. I'll blame the air noise. It's not me being tapped. Did I even put a pellet in there?
No, that was air.
Wow. Right, okay, 2 seconds. We're going to move this over there. Isn't that a straw flammable?
Yeah, very.
It's like right there. Well, what we'll do is we'll move the fire blanket to this end.
So if it catches on fire, you can't reach it?
Yeah. Oh god, I don't want to do 4 now. Tell you what we'll do then. Wait a minute, I was going to put cardboard now and it's don't you dare! Well, wait. You just get back, Mr. Cameraman, motherfucker. Should we shoot one of them now? Let's shoot one of them now. I don't know if this will work because it's so low down. Okay. Let's be even stupider. Put more candles in. I've lost one. There we go. This is supposed to be a tiny little thing off a lighter and just looks stupid. That looks amazing. I would have built this a bit more better if I realised that was going to happen. Just ramble, obviously. Never mind. Shit happens then. Oh, don't go out. There we go. Right. Ow. And the bubble one.
Oh, it went out.
Okay. Right.
The blue one went out.
I'll tell you what, we're going to go outside for this one. Let's just come out the doorway a little bit and just point the camera in. So if you put yourself behind there, and just point the camera in so you won't get shot by anything. So if anyone dies, it's me, okay?
Lovely.
Right, you ready? Can you see it? Ready? Whoa!
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
Where's the roof gone? That blanket quick!
The roof is gone!
Okay, stop recording. Seriously, look at this. I'm not even joking. I've seen the videos when I was doing. There was a little this and a little this, and just shat myself. Spent 3 months building this. Now it's open to the elements. I can't afford a roof yet. I'm not gonna lie, that was hilarious. Very dangerous. Don't. I've got more. Like I've got four letters here. More deodorants. They are going away. They're never happening again. Well, wait a minute, because you know. Wait a minute. You know the posh signs and all that. Do not do this at home. I'm an idiot. Thank you very much.